In this video, I'll show you how to get the screen of your Switch Lite on your bigger screen of your TV. So to do this, unfortunately, there's no way of plugging directly the Switch Lite to your television using USB-C or HDMI. The only way this is possible is by using a screen recording device that will record your Switch Lite screen and show it on your big screen. Now, the only downside of doing this, I mean, there's many downsides, I guess, but one of the biggest is that you won't be able to use the controllers on your Switch Lite. You'll need an external controller if you want to do this. So what do you need? Well, you need your phone, and I guess everybody has a phone these days, Android or iPhone, it does not matter. And then you'll need a cable connected to your phone that is USB Type-C, because most phones these days are using USB Type-C to HDMI. I'll put links in the description if you want to get one from Amazon, but technically this is connected in the USB Type-C port of my iPhone, and if I go in the back of the TV, it goes in one of those HDMI ports. Now, we need to record the screen of the Switch Lite using your phone. And how do you do this? Well, unfortunately, the stock filming app, the stock photo app of your iPhone or Android will have a lot of details about the settings appearing on the screen, and it will get in the way. It will be very annoying. So I found out an app. On the iPhone, it's called Remote Camera for Stop Motion Studio. All right, and this app has very minimal UI appearing on the screen when you open it. So let me show you. All right, so when I open the app, the only thing that is in the way is this button over here for the settings. And unfortunately, I didn't find a way to remove it. But apart this, yes, you're also gonna see if your iPhone has one of these camera hole. You see, it's appearing on the screen. And yeah, you see also the button that I was talking about, but otherwise there's nothing else appearing in the screen. So if you place your camera or the camera of your phone pointing at the screen of your Switch Lite, and again, you may need to have one of these things holding your phone. Maybe you can make one out of cardboard if you don't want to spend any money. So you simply need to align them, one facing each other. And yeah, this can take a while to get the perfect angle, especially if you have light coming on the screen of your Switch. All right, so obviously you can fiddle around, but once you've done this, turn on the Switch, connect your external controller, and you're gonna see the image on your TV screen. And since most the camera of smartphones are recording in 4K and have a very good resolution, as well as a good resolution on the screen of your Switch Lite, you'll be able to see very crisp details on your TV. Obviously, again, place them better. Here it's just a video. I didn't have much time to do it, but you'll be able to crop the sides over here of your Switch, and this way you'll be able to play on your big screen TV. If you found out a better way on how to do it, I really want to know. So leave a comment down below. If this worked, I want to know as well. Leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.